Hey there, everyone. Today I wanted to walk through this keyword clustering or classification tool that I built using Python and Streamlit. Basically, this tool is designed to help organize and categorize keywords efficiently. Whether you're managing a small blog or a large scale e commerce site, this can be pretty helpful to make keyword analysis easier and more insightful. So, in order to use this tool, you'll first need to upload a CSV file containing your keywords, and your CSV file should have at least one column labeled keywords, with additional columns including things like search volume, cost per click, rank position, or URL. And if you don't have a CSV file ready, you can just download a template directly from the tool here. And then from there, you will upload your file into the tool. And then you'll adjust the slider down here to select your number of clusters that you want to categorize your keywords into. So one thing to note is the higher the number of clusters, the more specific or granular your keyword groupings will become. So word of caution, as you set a cluster number higher, if you set it too high of a number, it can make categorization less meaningful due just to over segmentation. So something to be aware of if you're working with a smaller keyword data set. And then from there, you'll classify and cluster your keywords. So click this button here. So the tool will then pre-process your keywords and vectorizing them using TF-IDF, and then perform clustering using the k-means algorithm. And so it also generate representative names for each of the clusters based on that most common and relative and relevant keywords in that cluster. And then from there, you'll just download your clustered keywords as this CSV file, and that will basically contain your original keywords, carry through your fields such as search volume and cost per click, and then also denote the cluster names and the IDs. So what I like to do after this is just kind of take a look to see how it segments. And so based on these being bucketed into 100 different clusters, I like to create a pivot table just to understand at a glance what the categories look like, what the available search volume is for each of these clusters. And then you can also even open this up and then filter based on, let's say, the top 10 keywords in that list, just to be able to get a better understanding of like what does this topical landscape look like for your list of keywords, what should be targeted. So differences between POS system versus POS restaurant systems, targeting small business as an identifier, retail, so having industry set classification between restaurant, retail, even having some best qualifiers as well. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Hope you find the tool to be helpful, and I will catch you all in the next tip video.